How to redeem code on Bilibili. In order to redeem code on Bilibili, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is make sure to launch our browser and type in Bilibili redeem code. We'll find the first link over here, and you can see the option called log in to redeem premium. So you can just tap on that particular option over there. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you'll be asked to log in over here, log in to redeem premium. So you can simply log in using your Google account or any of the other accounts that you have for any matter. And as long as you are logged in, you'll be taken to this redemption page where you can simply enter your redeem code on this box. And on this next tab, you have to simply verify the Captcha. Once you've entered the redemption code and the Captcha, you can tap on the redeem now button and your code will be successfully redeemed on Bilibili. This way you can redeem code on Bilibili. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.